In this episode, we're going to learn about bathroom rules. In the bathroom, it's important to follow the rules. Yet, what does that look like? First of all, when you get to the door or the stall, make sure to knock and make sure that no one is in there. When you're finished, make sure that you flush the toilet. Make sure that you put soap on your hands to make sure that they get clean. Make sure that when you're washing your hands, that you are washing them for at least 20 seconds. Then make sure to get a paper towel to dry your hands. Finally, make sure you put the paper towel in the trash. Now that we've looked at bathroom rules, let's see if you can identify what these students are doing right. I wonder what she's doing right. What do you think? You're right. She's washing her hands. I wonder what he's doing right. What do you think? You're right. He's throwing away the paper towel in the trash can. I hope you like this lesson on bathroom rules. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.